So this screencast builds on screencasts 0 and 1. It's the same set of data as screencast 0 and 1, and I'm again focusing on the WLM view of CPU per CICS transaction. But actually I've captured another hill in my code today, and that's really what I want to work with here. So this hill is illustrating what happens to CPU per CICS transaction when the machine gets busier. Well, one effect you can immediately see is there is a gentle degradation in CPU per CICS transaction as the utilization goes up from, let's say, somewhere like 20% to 100%. And that's the whole machine's busy, by the way, not the LPARs. I also have that. The other interesting effect, which we previewed much early on in this series, is that certain times of the day, certain data points, are well above the trend line. And those, when we examine them in more detail, actually do correspond to when the batch is running. So again, this is more evidence that the batch running is interfering, probably in terms of cache effects, with the CICS transactions. But note also the underlying gentle slope here says that the CPU per CICS transaction increases slightly as the machine gets busier and busier. And that again is probably due to cache effects. This time I'm using Preview's own annotation to mark up the various parts of the graphs, so hopefully that's a reasonably scalable thing for me to do in future. I hope you enjoyed this one.